question number 2. So here you have to, the question is 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. So here the question is in subtraction, right? So here also same procedure what we did in the addition. Here also we have to find the LCM and we have to find out, right? Okay. So here first we are going to find the LCM of 24 and 36. Just take it out. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 8, 6, 9, 3 and 9. So 3 ones are 3 3s are. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 are 24, 24 into 3 is 72. So our LCM is 72. So after that we got the LCM, just we have to make the denominator same, right? So what you have to do is 7 by 24 into, so we just want 2 here, so 3 multiplied by 3, so 3 4s are 12, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7, that is 72, and 7 3s are 21. And next is 17 by 36 multiplied by okay, 4 3s are 12, okay, 2 into 2, right? So 2 6 are 12, 3 plus 1 7, 17 2s are 34, right? So the question is, so according to the question, 21 minus 34 upon 72, right? So here minus 34 is greater as compared to the 21. Okay, so here just 4 minus 1, that is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, minus 13 upon 72. So this is the final answer. Putting the minus and this, right? So minus 13 upon 72. Okay, very simple. The number is, the question is 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. So here the denominators are not same. So just we will find the LCM here, and we got the denominator. We got the LCM, that is 72. Now we have to make the denominator same with this 72. So 24 multiplied by 3, we got 72. 7 3s are 21. So here just okay, I have put it the negative sign here. Okay, just for the conversion I have not put it the negative sign, right? So just 36 into 2, that is 72. Now 34, and okay, we will just put the negative sign, don't get confused then, to avoid the confusion, right? So 21 minus 34. So here if you see the negative number minus 34 is greater as compared to the 21. So just subtract it, and if you see the greater number is having a negative sign, so in the answer also you get the negative sign, right? Hope it's clear to you. Just go for it. Okay, now come to the next question, that is 5 by 53 minus 6 by 21. First of all we are going to do is we just change the sign, okay? So this minus will become plus. So 5 by 63 plus 6 by 21. And after that we are going to find the LCM of 63 and 21, that is from 3 2s are 6, 1s are 7s are, again 3 7s are, 7s are, 7 1s are 1s are. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 7, that is 63. Okay, so the LCM is 63. So if you see this 5 by 63, already 63 is here. So just we have to change this one. So 6 by 21, just multiply by 3. So you will get 18 by 63, right? So question is 5 plus 18 upon 63, and the final answer is plus 63. That is 23 upon 63 is the final answer. Just here in this 6 by 21, here I have changed. Here we have to make this 21 63. So I was multiplied with 3. So we got 63 here. Now 63 is 18. So already we have changed the sign in the second step. So 5 plus 18, that is 23 by 63. That's the final answer of this question, right? Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. So question number 2, third one is homework for you. Okay, I'm going to do the fourth one. Clear? Already first and second we have done, and third one is homework. Fourth question I'm going to do here. So here minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 11. So here this minus and this minus, don't put plus sign there. Okay, it's a separate sign here. It's a negative rational number, and this is the main sign, right? So this minus and this minus will not get plus, right? So here first we are going to find the LCM. So LCM of 8 and 11, that is 88. No need to add this minus and minus. Okay, so here first we'll just multiply with 11s are. We got minus 33 upon 88, and 7 by 11, just multiply with 8, 56 and 88. So here after getting the LCM, we make the denominator same. So the question is minus 33 minus 56. Okay, so here we got 88. Now the minus is here, and this minus and this minus will become plus. Don't put plus sign here. Okay, clear? It will get wrong. Okay, so after doing all these things, this minus 33, after making the denominator same, this minus 33 and this minus 56. Now this minus and this minus will become plus, but in the final answer, there you have to put the negative sign. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 89 upon 88. So this is the solution for this question. Okay, hope it is clear to you. So in this, here and here you have to add. Don't change the sign here in this question. Okay, that will get wrong. So minus 33 minus 56, minus and minus will become plus, but in the final answer you have to put a negative sign. Okay, hope it is clear to you. This is the final answer. Okay, so just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 5. If you see this question, minus 2 1 by 9. This number is given in the mixed fraction, and this is minus 6. So first we are going to convert this number into improper fraction. Okay, so here 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, is 19. So minus 19 by 9 and minus 6. Just put 1 here. Okay, now we are going to find the LCM. LCM is very clear. So LCM is equal to 9. So if you see, already minus 19 by 9 is having 9 in the denominator. So just we have to convert this one. So minus 6 by 1 into which number? 9, right? So minus 54 upon 9. So we got the denominator as 9. So here the question is minus 19 minus 54 upon 9, right? So 9 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, carry 1, 5 plus 6, 7, 73 upon 9. As I told you in the previous question also, the number is in mixed fraction, so we want the answer also in mixed fraction, right? So just divide the 73 by 9. So you will get 9 8s are, so 8, 1 by 9. So just put negative sign. Okay, minus will become plus, right? So put a negative sign here. So minus will become plus. We got 73 by 9 is, as the question is in the mixed number, so we want the final answer also in the mixed number. So 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 1, that is 73 by 9. We got the final answer. Hope it is clear to you. It is very simple. So question number 3 is homework for you, right? Please do the homework. Just go through it. Okay. Okay, students, now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is very easy. So here we have to find the product. Okay, product means you have to do the multiplication. And one thing before starting the exercise, I want to make it clear. No need to find LCM in multiplication, as I told you in the previous videos also. And no need to find LCM in division. Okay, so here the question is in multiplication. We have to multiply directly. We have to multiply this numerator with this numerator and this denominator with this denominator. Okay, nothing else we have to do. No need to find LCM. Okay, nothing we have to do in this. So the question is to find the product. So product, just multiply the number directly. Okay, so 9 into 7, that is 9 7s are 63. I'm just do directly. Okay, no issue in that. So minus, put the negative sign. Okay, 9 into minus 7, that is 63. 4 2s are 8. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Same way here also in question number 2, just multiply numerator and numerator. Okay, and leave the denominator as it is, or you just put 1 here. After putting 1, please don't find LCM. Okay, so just 3 into 9, that is 3 9s are minus, here the negative sign, that is 27 upon 10. Okay, so I think in the first term also one question was there, just to find, just multiplication was given there, right? So there are, most of the students have find the LCM, so there is no need to find LCM in this type of questions. Just multiply the numerator and with the numerator of the other number and denominator with the denominator. Okay, that's it. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 3rd one. So minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. Just multiply directly. 9 6 are 54 minus 54 upon 11 5s are 55. This is the final answer. Okay, same way in question number 3rd, 4th and 5th is homework for you. Okay, 4th and 5th, just multiply directly and write the answer. We are going to do the 6th one. 6th one, you can write it, you can cancel directly also, or you can write 1. Or if you want to multiply, so minus 15 minus 15, cancel this, you will get 1. Okay, either you directly cut and write the answer, or just multiply and cut it and write the answer. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Do question number 4 and 5, just multiply it directly and write the answer. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, no need to find LCM in this product related sums. Okay, just go through it.